So this is the new factory. As you see, all these brass freezers, all these are brass freezers. This one, 这个是几盘的 ？This is 10 trays. This two is 10 trays, brass freezers. And these two work tables is going to fence. This. And I will say there's many different style work tables. I think this is the so-called maybe 2-door or 1-door, 2-door, 3-door, and storage freezers, chillers in this area. Is a pizza. Okay. This is the work tables. And this area is a brass freezer. As you see, many times they are making a lot, not just making one. So that's why I always said that they have this factory. They have stocks. So now you can see this one is on the testing, and the temperature inside is minus 45 degrees. Actually, our standard is minus 40. Because after you put all food inside. As you see, this the production Jew. So why they can save in the cost? As you see, every time they're making a lot. Let's just see over there. So this is all the production area. This factory also very close to Guangzhou Airport, about 80 minutes. And now we're going to the storage area. Okay, the storage area. So all the time, you see. So we can see this is already packed. It's a work table storage area.